In a similar way, we have question 2, which is in that form. So the first thing for us is to inspect the equation, and we see that there's an equation that relates cot and cosec, and that equation is in this form. It is cot squared of x plus 1 equals to cosec squared x. So in this equation, we're going to get, since cot squared x is the term which is squared, we're going to make it the subject in this equation, such that we shall have cot squared of x equals to cosec squared minus 1. And then now we substitute in the original equation, which is 4. And then in place of cot squared x, we write cosec square x minus 1 minus 9 cosec x plus 6 equals to 0. Now we open the brackets and shall have 4 cosec squared x minus 4 minus 9 cosec x plus 6 equals to 0. Next is to simplify, and then I will have 4 cosec squared x minus 9 cosec x plus 2, because negative 4 plus 6 is positive 2. So me, I prefer using the bulldozer or the quadratic method formula to solve the equation which is in this form. So here we have our a as 4, our b as 9, and c as 2. So the quadratic formula states that x equals to negative b plus or minus the root of b squared minus 4 times a times c all over 2a. So in our equation here we have x as cosec, so we shall say cosec x equals to negative 9 plus or minus the root of 9, negative 9 square minus 4 times 4 times 2, all divided by 2 times the value of a, which is 4. So in that in this case, we shall have cosec equal to 9 plus or minus the root of, this is 81, so this is 16 times that is 32, so 81 minus 32 is 49 over 8. So when I simplify this, I have 9 plus or minus 7 over 8. So we have cosec x equals to 16 over that is 2, or 9 minus 7 is 2 over 8 is 1 over 4, which is the same as, so here we have, when we change, because cosec is the inverse of sine, so have sine of x equals to 1 over 2, or sine of x equals to 4. So this 4, it is invalid, or it is infinite, if I can say, because if you press the calculator, it gives you an error. So we go with this one here. So our x equals to 30, because when you get x equals to sine inverse of a half, it's the same as 30. So the next answer is in the second quadrant, because sine is positive in the first and second. So in the second quadrant, the total number, the total angles is 180. So you subtract 30 away from 180 to get 150. So these are our angles in that range.